Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glady Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to get dark mode on TikTok. For you to do that is very easy. Please watch this video to the very end for you to get how to get dark mode on TikTok. First of all, you must have an updated TikTok app. If you don't have an updated TikTok app, please go to your Play Store app and then Play Store app and type TikTok. Okay, mine is you can update it from this angle. If yours is not updated, I'm allowing mine to get updated. It's installing. So guys, if you don't have an updated TikTok app, go to your Play Store app, type in TikTok, then tap on update. As far as it is in your phone, it will bring out options for updates. So that's what my own just did now. I can go back since it's installing. If it gets installed, it will let me know, notify me. Then now I want to go to my TikTok app, tap on it. It's still installing. That is why I cannot open it for now. Let me see. Okay, I can open it. It has been installed. Okay, let's go back to the topic of the day, how to get dark mode. For what you do now is, let's go to our profile, tap on the three dot at right corner of the screen, tap on settings and privacy. If you look at this, you're looking for dark mode on TikTok. TikTok don't have dark mode because it does not have a display option. The display option don't contain dark mode. For that reason, we have to go out from here, from TikTok app completely, and go to settings of the phone. So go to settings of the phone, tap on system, tap on about phone. Let me see. It's going to take little time. I'm looking for user number from my developer option. I'm looking for builder number. Builder number. This phone option don't have builder number, but it has override force dark. Overrides the force dark features to be on. That it overrides force dark options to be on. It allows for dark options to be on. Dark features to be on. So tap on it. Let me tap on it. Mm. This phone don't have that option. It does not have builder's number. But what it has is override dark features. So let me tap on it. Okay, so it's on now. So let me see. Let me go out from here. Go to my TikTok app and go to. Sometimes this dark mode don't really um have effects after tapping on it. Sometimes this dark mode doesn't have much effect after owning it. Why this phone says the name of this phone is Camon 18. It says tap on settings, tap on developers option, and tap on override dark features. But other phones still says tap on settings, tap on system, tap on about phone, and tap on builders and phone. Just like Pop 3, that's what it says. So if your phone has different feature, don't think that your phone has problem. It's still okay. It just needs some adjustment by you having the different ideas there. So guys, that's it on how to get dark mode on your TikTok. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section.